Hello friends, I'm Aminur from Air Educate. Today I'm very excited to with you in this video. Today I'm gonna show you a Canva tutorial about color plate generator tool. Okay friends, so let's start together. But before we watch more video about Canva tutorial, online business, making money online, please don't forget to subscribe now to my channel to get every new update almost every day. Okay friends, so let's start. So first you have to go Google Chrome, or you can use any browser if you want, whatever. Then search canva.com. Okay, so what you have to do now, you can type slash colors. Okay, so that is the color tools. Today I'm gonna show you step by step about this color tools. Okay friends, so stay with me. So number one is color plate generator tool. Okay, what is it? So simply go to here, this tool. You can make some colors from your images. Okay, maybe you have understood. So how to use this tool? You can simply upload an image from your PC. Okay, I will upload this one. So you can see that this tool generates four colors. Okay friends, so how to use it? You can simply copy this color and use it on your Canva post, Canva images. You can edit any photo, then you can use it on your photo. Or if you use to, or you can make any website. So if you want to make a website, then you can select color from this tools and use it on your own website. Okay friends, so I come back and I will show you that this one and also this one. Okay, so you can see the second tool is here. Okay, color plates. So what is it? You can see a lot of colors here. You can see that you can use these colors when you are making a new Instagram post, Facebook post, YouTube banners, anything you want to, whatever. Okay friends, so you can see that there are a lot of colors. There are 99 pages, so you can select these colors and make your own post. Okay, so how to use it? It's very simple to use. So I am in the first page. Okay, so how to use? Simply go this color tools, click on this what you want to use, and then you can copy these colors. And one thing you can see that there are a color combination. You can combination also from here. Okay, you can also combine color from here. So color wheel, it's a another tool. What is it? This is a tool that you can combine your color. Okay, color theory and the color wheel. What is it? So you can see that pick one color. So you have to pick just one color, and you can see that they will generate two colors. If you want more, then you can click here, then they will generate four colors, and you can create a graphic what you want on your Instagram post, Facebook post, banner, anything what you want. Okay, so now I am gonna show you the last tools about color meanings and symbolism. So what is it? This is not an important, but I am gonna show you everything, so it's my duty. So you can see here from every color name what you want to know, and you can paste any on color code. So you can see that I'm just copy this with Ctrl C and paste with Ctrl V. You can see the, I'm sorry, they are not showing this color. sorry, then okay, no problem. um Maybe this one will work, and this one. So if you search for blue, you will see the blue color, every blue color, what type of blue you want. So it's really awesome, I think so. So you can use this tool for your own design. Okay, okay friends, so that is for today. I hope you really enjoy this video. Please don't forget now to my YouTube channel to get every new update almost every day. Thank you so much.